Hello guys, we meet again to the another assemble video. Let's assemble this one. You know what it is? Yes, this is T-Rex Tyrannosaurus Rex. We need to find detail. No, I think this one. Yeah, cool. Now let's assemble the leg. No? Maybe we should try this one. Nice. Now let's find the little arm. This one, little arm. Yes. Okay, cool. Let's lock it with the one, two, three. Nice. Let's do the same on the other side. The right leg here, and this is the arm. Okay, cool. One, two, and three. Nice. We have Tyrannosaurus Rex here. Now let's move on to the next dinosaurs. We have Stegosaurus here. Let's take a look. This is very big dinosaurs. It have some kind of plate here. Now let's find the tail first. This is the tail, the skinny tail. Nice, cool. Now to find the leg, front leg and rear leg. Maybe this is front leg. Nice. And this is the rear leg. Cool. Now let's look it with the bolt and tightening. One, two, and three. Nice. One on the other side. No. That's the rear leg. Okay, cool. Tighten with the bolt, one, and then this is the front. Tighten with the bolt, one. Nice. We have Stegosaurus here. And down here, let's move on to the next dinosaur. You know what this is? Yes, this is Mozasaurus. Assembly front fingers. This is aquatic dinosaur. One and three, and this is the rear fin. A little bit hard here. Nice. Tighten the bolt, one and two. Cool. Now let's move on to the other side. Assemble the ribs first. This is the ribs. This is the front leg. One, two, and last one. This is the rear fin. Okay, cool. Tighten the bolt. One, and Okay, down here we have Mozasaurus. Mozasaurus. Stegosaurus. And the last one is Tyrannosaurus Rex. That's it for today, guys. We will meet again on the another assemble video. Goodbye.